Hi everyone! Have a good day. Dito pala tayo sa swimming pool ng Hong Kong, Kennedy Town swimming pool. It's a big swimming pool here. So, punta tayo dito. Mamaya maliligo ako dito kasi yung sa amin sa Causeway close. Kaya ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo paano siya kalaki. Ito yung Kennedy Town swimming pool. Ayan oh. Para siyang ano, ang laki niya talaga. So, ayan guys, papasok tayo. We are going inside. So, here we are. Kennedy Town swimming pool. Gamitin natin is octopus. So, medyo malawak talaga siya, no? So, it's big. Oh my gosh, here you go. Oh, this is outdoor pool. It's so nice. Okay, here you go. Ang ganda ng pool pala dito, oh. I love it. It's my first time to be here anyway. So, hindi pwede na ganyan. As you can see that pool. It's a big pool. So, ito yung changing room at saka yung mga gamit natin na dito natin nilalagay ito. So, dito ko ilalagay ang aking gamit. So, kailangan ko siya lagyan ng $5 para makaplagay tayo ng gamit here. See, nakalagay yan 5. So, lagyan natin ng 5. And, pwede ko na siyang gamitin. Guys, mag-clear out sa ating gamit, no? Lagyan natin dito ating gamit. So, as you can see, kailangan naka-change na tayo, no? Ito na tayo, ready na tayo to swim. Kasi dito, kailangan nakaganito kayo. I have to swim now. Thank you so much for watching.